Yeah, so I gotta apologize. You missed part of the Skyway. There's forest fires behind me. I turned the camera on, but I forgot to hit the button the second time to record. But we're at the top right now. It's pretty cold up here. It's chilly. The leaves are trying to come back on the trees, but not yet. Another few weeks it'll warm up here. It's Easter Sunday, and there is no one on the Skyway. And I've told you in my other Easter videos, this is the weekend to come visit. If you're planning a trip to the mountains, Easter weekend is usually a good time. I could probably count on one hand in the last, say, 25 years that the weather's been terrible on Easter weekend. Even when I lived in Florida, I would come to the mountains on Easter weekend. There's nobody here. It's easy to get a room at the hotels. But if I'm vacationing and I'm here to ride a motorcycle, I mean, this is the best way to enjoy a motorcycle when the roads are empty. We're at the top of the Skyway right now. I don't know what kind of wave that was that Harley dude just gave me. Harley owners are a different breed. Yeah, from up here you can't even see the fires. See the smoke behind us though as I crash. But the fires will be out tomorrow, and tomorrow night it's supposed to start raining. It's going to rain through the weekend. Yeah, you can see the smoke over there to the right. all that haze over there to the right is not really the Smoky Mountains. It's more mountains covered in smoky. If only the guy riding this motorcycle had hit the record button, you could have seen all the different locations that there were fires with smoke rising out of the mountains. But that guy's a moron. I'm going to blame it on old age. One day you too will be in your late 50s. And you'll think to yourself, dang, that guy was right. The older I get, the more I forget. But thank God that it's like riding a bicycle. You never forget how to do this, do you? It's Easter Sunday, and just remember what our preachers at Honda used to say. One good turn deserves another. They also used to say, no wing, no prayer. But I've caught up to a Coleman trailer, so I'm going to cut this video off now. Thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. Please give me a thumbs up, and I'm out for now.